since everybody's special, no? Kinanta niya po talaga yung warm welcome message niya para sa ating lahat. Are you now ready, Mommy? I guess so.
To all our guests, my family,
Yes!
my friends, ang aking mga kaklase, batch 83, ang mga pamilya ko, sa aking asawa, at ang aking mga Pagador family. Thank you. Nakasama ko kayo ngayong gabi. Thank you for coming. It's so nice to have you here. Welcome. Make yourself at home. I'm glad you could make it this. Come in and make yourself comfortable. Thank you for joining us. We're delighted to have you as a guest. It's a pleasure to see you. We hope you feel comfortable and enjoy. Thank you very much.